OnePlus 8 Pro's leaked image reveals a design that is unmistakably similar to the concept-based renders that recently surfaced online. OnePlus 8 Pro will reportedly offer quad-rear camera hardware. Leaks also point towards the presence of a laser autofocus module. OnePlus 8 Pro will reportedly bring support for 50W charging. OnePlus 8 series is rumored to debut in late March or April this year, a few weeks earlier than OnePlus' typical release cycle. OnePlus is tipped to shake things up a little bit this year by launching 3 phones: OnePlus 8, OnePlus 8 Pro, and OnePlus 8 Lite, all of which have appeared in concept-based renders so far. Now, the OnePlus 8 Pro has allegedly appeared for the first time in a live photo. Interestingly, the phone that has posed for the camera has an uncanny resemblance to the leaked OnePlus 8 Pro renders and design schematics we have seen so far. The alleged OnePlus 8 Pro hands-on photo was spotted on Discord first and later shared on Twitter. The phone is seen wrapped in the protective, translucent sleeve found inside a new retail unit. Even though the color of the alleged OnePlus 8 Pro's rear panel is not visible, one can still clearly see the silhouette of the camera module and the rest of the hardware.